Every Tesla begins the moment raw aluminum officially enters one of the world's most advanced factories. This ordinary aluminum has just entered a manufacturing journey that cannot be reversed. Now the factory takes over, where human hands leave the process behind. Everything changes the closer this aluminum moves toward the heart of the melting process. Once this aluminum crosses this threshold, its original form will never exist again. Nobody expects solid aluminum to completely disappear only minutes after entering one of the world's most advanced factories. Extreme heat immediately begins changing the aluminum in ways that can never be reversed. The solid aluminum has already become part of a single glowing molten metal bath, revealing continuous natural convection circulating throughout the furnace.
Perfect castings begin with perfectly controlled molten aluminum. Now every drop of this molten aluminum is ready for its next transformation.
The aluminum is no longer a solid block. It is now liquid metal waiting to become part of a Tesla. The strongest Tesla castings begin long before molten aluminum ever reaches the gigapress. Even microscopic impurities can weaken structural casting designed to every passenger inside. Before casting begins, every drop of aluminum must pass through one final purification barrier. Now this aluminum is finally clean enough to become part of a Tesla. The next step will shape this molten aluminum with thousands of tons of industrial force. This molten aluminum has only one chance to become a perfect Tesla casting. The hydraulic plunger accelerates smoothly, driving the molten aluminum toward the closed steel die, ensuring the metal reaches the mold before losing its ideal casting temperature. Thousands of tons of clamping force keep the mold completely sealed during every single injection. The closed die remains under full pressure while internal cooling steadily extracts heat from the molten aluminum as steam gently rises from cooling channels. The aluminum has become something completely different for the very first time.
Nothing is wasted, because every piece of excess aluminum begins another manufacturing cycle. Now, precision machining transforms an accurate casting into an exact engineering component. Every machined surface must be perfect before this aluminum earns the right to move forward. Its journey isn't over yet, because perfection must still be proven. One invisible defect is enough to reject everything this aluminum has become. Precision begins where even the human eye can no longer measure what truly matters. The strongest casting can still fail if hidden defects remain deep inside the aluminum. The approved structural gets the X-ray station onto an inspection conveyor, where this aluminum has now passed every inspection, designed to protect every future Tesla owner. Its real purpose is only beginning. Perfect positioning is the foundation of everything assembled afterward. From this moment forward, the aluminum can never be separated from this Tesla again. The next transformation will protect this aluminum for decades on the road. Before anyone sees this Tesla, every aluminum surface must be protected for decades of real-world driving.
Perfect paint begins with a perfectly prepared aluminum surface. Invisible protection reaches every surface long before the first drop of paint ever arrives. Heat permanently bonds this invisible shield to the aluminum beneath. The coated body travels continuously through a high temperature.
Here at the marriage station, everything built separately finally becomes one complete Tesla, a seamless integration of power and design.
Now the Tesla finally begins looking and feeling like a real car.
Every component precisely installed, bringing this vehicle one step closer to its very first drive. Only one final examination remains before this Tesla earns the right to leave the factory.
Everything began with one ordinary aluminum ingot that nobody would have noticed.
Every system must perform perfectly before this Tesla earns permission to leave the factory. One final challenge proves this Tesla is ready for real roads and real weather. Now this aluminum has successfully completed every manufacturing process required to become a Tesla. The journey of this aluminum ends exactly where every Tesla's journey begins.
One ordinary aluminum block became the foundation of an extraordinary Tesla. Discover more with ForgeWorks.